Happy New Year! Welcome back to my channel. I can't believe it is 2025 right now. I'm sure you've all had amazing New Year and amazing Christmas. I've been super busy, guys. I've had a lovely Christmas, guys. It was just super nice. Lovely Christmas dinner with the whole family. So yeah, guys, like, Happy New Year. Let me know in the comments down below, what was your plans for Christmas and New Year? Would love to know. So today I am going out. We are heading into town because I definitely want to look at a few things. This month is my son's birthday, so literally after Christmas, then it's my little boy's birthday, like the month after. So yeah, in January, and I can't believe it. Like, I just feel it just goes super fast. Like, he's gonna be turning 4, guys. Where is the time going? So yeah, a few things I have ordered. A few things for his birthday theme. So the birthday theme that I am planning to do for my little boy this month is a Blippi theme. He's obsessed with Blippi. I'm sure you all mums and dads know Blippi. Yeah, I love the Blippi character and he absolutely loves it. So yeah, guys, I'm going for a nice Blippi theme. So I've got some plates, nice banner and balloons. So yeah, that's the plan for his birthday. And I've also ordered a cake, a Blippi cake. So yeah, I'll share with you all the nice things for his birthday. So then yeah, guys, so that is the plan. So I've got a few things from Space NK, guys. Super excited. I have the Naturium Icon Syrup Starter Kit. So I've always wanted something like this because I definitely want to try these beautiful serums by Naturium. And then also Space NK mini travel pouch, guys. How cute. So I've got the really nice green one, so I can put all my nice little bits in here, lip gloss. So yeah, guys, I'm absolutely obsessed. So I might get an upper size for this. So this costs £16 from Space NK, and I got this from a sale. I believe this was £19. And yeah, guys, I'm super excited to try these. We are in the art museum, guys, and we are about to do some drawing on the chalkboard. This is our favourite spot. We love coming here. Look at those old-fashioned books. This is like 1950s book. It just gives that nice vintage look. And then we got some colour card factory posters here. This is some railway handbooks. Look at this, guys, 1922. And we have all these old-fashioned ornaments. Look at these, guys. This old-fashioned clock. Look at that. Ooh, look at this. Look at this, guys. Back in the day. All the little cups and teas. We haven't really looked in here much. Wow.
This was our house. It's like in the 1600s.
I know, yeah, imagine that.
No
Wow,
TV,
look
just a
at
fireplace. So eat your food. I gotta work on the railroad tracks.
yeah, I know. this, guys, and as soon as you press the button it lights up. But yeah, he is super obsessed with this, guys. Like, he literally would just go from one end to the next, guys. Lovely day, and now I'm just going to show you what I've got for my little boy's birthday. So these here are from Amazon, guys. So this is the Blippi-themed birthday party for my little boy. Like, how cute. So this is from Amazon, and I've also got these separate. So this is not actual Blippi, but you know, Blippi's all about the excavator, and you know Blippi the song, you know the excavator song, guys. So this is definitely the best one that I could find. So this also came with it, but how close is this, guys? Like, even though I got this separate from Amazon, it just really does go with the theme. So in this one, I've got some cups, got some straws, we have a Blippi cake topper saying happy birthday. So yeah, got the balloon, and I have also got some balloons here. So what I was thinking, when I get this done, I might be thinking of having the foil balloon on top, then have these little balloons here. I really wanted a nice little arc, but you know, I'm just going to keep it a little bit simple with the balloons. But yeah, I'm just going to have a few balloons that's coming out of here, maybe down here. That is what my plan is. Then we have a little happy birthday banner. So that's super cute. And then we also have another happy birthday banner, so I might put this on both of my walls. And then we have a big massive banner. I will show you this properly when it's all done. But yeah, I thought this is super cute. I did measure this, guys, because you know, sometimes when I get these banners, it can be like really huge, and then my wall is not that big. So I did measure it, so I'm sure it's not gonna look too bad. And then, so what else that I got is these napkins. Got some napkins from Blippi. And then we also have another Blippi. I'm not sure what this is. I think this hangs from the ceiling. I think I'm gonna have a play around with this. We're gonna see what we're about to do. So, but I'm sure we'll give this a little home on the day. And then we have a tablecloth. How nice is this? So, and then we have some plates. I really love these plates. I think this is super cute. So yeah, the main course, and then dessert for the birthday cake. So yeah, guys, I am super happy with all these. So happy. I'm looking forward to the cake because I did order the cake too. So really hope you enjoy the video. I will see you all in my next video. Please like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Bye, guys.